In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header in Mailchimp. This quick guide will help you customize your email campaigns by either removing or hiding the header to suit your design needs. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, let's get you logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the campaigns section and click on All Campaigns. If you're working with a template instead, choose the Templates option. Now find the email campaign or template you wish to modify and click on Edit Design. This step gets you into the email builder where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Mailchimp email builder, it's time to locate the header section of your email. Hover your mouse over the top section of your email campaign. You will likely see a block labeled Header. This is typically where your logo, menu, or brand name resides. Imagine it as the top row where your logo, navigation items, and maybe even some pre-header text are placed. Next up, you have the option to either remove or hide the header block. If you're looking for a cleaner, more minimal look, you can choose to delete the entire header block. Simply hover over the header area until a trash icon appears, then click Delete. Confirm your choice to remove it entirely. This method is perfect if you're going for a simple image-first design approach. If you prefer to keep some elements of the header while hiding others, click on the header block to edit it instead. Here you can delete specific elements such as the logo, menu items, or text that you feel aren't necessary. After editing, you can leave the area blank, or if you prefer a structured look, you might add a simple divider line to replace the removed elements. With the header modified or removed, you might notice some extra white space at the top of your email. To fix this, hover near the top of your email again. If you spot a padding or spacer block, click on it. You can reduce the padding or even delete the spacer block entirely to ensure a pleasant, seamless start directly with your email banner or introduction text. Finally, it's crucial to preview your work and save your changes. Click on Preview and enter Preview mode to see how your email looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Ensuring that your email appears correctly on all devices is key to an effective email campaign. Once everything looks good to you, hit Save and Close. And that's it. Your email's header should now be removed or modified as per your preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped you achieve the design you were envisioning for your Mailchimp campaign. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you